The next text structure that we are talking about this week is titled Cause and Effect. We have already gone over cause and effect, so this is just a review. So to remind you of what cause and effect is, the cause is the reason why something happens, and the effect is the result or what happens. For example, the cause is the rain, the effect, we get a rainbow, we get our oceans filled, our bodies of water filled, and the flowers get watered. Some of the key words that we would hear when coming across a cause and effect in our reading would be so, since, this is why, outcome, due to, if blank, then blank, cause, lead to, result, in order to, consequently, and therefore. Let's look at this PowerPoint about cause and effect. What does cause mean? As I said right before, cause is something that makes an action happen. What does effect mean? The effect is the action that happens as a result of the cause. So we have our clue phrase there, as a result of. Here's an example. Cause, you ate too much ice cream. The effect, you feel sick to your stomach. This is the why something happened. This is what happened. Now try this one. Cause. What might the effect be? What might the cause be? Effect. Teachers reward the class with a snack after the PowerPoint presentation. What could cause that? The students participated and worked hard during the lesson. Try some more. Effect. Tammy was too tired to do her homework. What could cause that? This one is not going to give us the cause, so I want you to try and come up with the cause on your own. You don't have to write it down, I just want you to think about it. What could cause her being too tired to do her homework? I think maybe staying up all night watching TV or playing video games, watching TikTok videos. So she was tired. Cause. Sue's homework was too hard. What would be the effect of her homework being too hard? Again, this is not going to give you the effect. I want you to try and come up with one on your own. I think since her homework was too hard, she got on her teacher's office hours on Google Classroom at 2:40 to ask for help, just like you can do every day at 2:40 to 3:30. If you are still remote and working at home. If you're in the classroom, then we work on those things in class. Ooh, that looks like it hurts really bad. Cause. John fell off his bike. What could be the effect of him falling off of his bike? I think he got very injured, might have even broken an arm. Ooh, super painful. Cause. It snows 5 feet overnight. Oh my goodness. That's definitely taller than 5 feet. The effects. I think the effects could be there was a no school day. The kids went out and had a snowball fight. Super fun. Now you are going to make up your own on the next slide. So on the next slide, you are going to fill in the missing boxes. Here is the cause column. For the first one, it says Steve hit the baseball really far. What could be the effect of that? Then for the next one, you're going to fill in the cause for Feathers were everywhere. Next, they give you the cause. Doug worked very hard in school. What is the effect? And lastly, what could be the cause for people got sick?